content is now being created not just for humans. Earlier, when we were creating a PowerPoint presentation, we were creating a blog post, we were creating a webinar or posting something on YouTube, it was meant for humans to come, consume, like something, come to our website, engage with us, they be successful, and in the process we grow the businesses. But now it's already happening, and it's going to happen a lot more in the future, is that the content is being consumed by machines. Content is being consumed by AI, LLMs. Today you go to any of these LLMs and post a question like, hey, tell me the top tool that I have to use for this specific purpose. The LLMs are going and finding this information from the web and trying to get you the best match answer, which takes into consideration several different things. But one of the things to consider is they're not just reading your textual content. I know some of you might already have embarked on this journey of writing a blog post, which is a lot more structured, which answers specific questions, so that when LLM will go and search the web and get the result for your users, the interface that they're using, they also try to get something which is inside the media elements. So try to structure your videos in such a way that the machines are able to read it as well. And there is a small change in the way we think here. Earlier it was just about storytelling. Yes, storytelling still matters. That's the number one thing which will always be there. I think as long as human civilization has been there, storytelling has been there right on the top. However, there are certain nuances that we need to consider now as content creators, that is there a certain structure into my video content creation which will enable me to get that love from the LLMs, so that the AI and LLMs can recommend me and my business when my customers are searching or asking a specific question related to the problem statement they have.